and I went to the house, and the yellow tape was there, the police, the crime scene unit. I ran through the car to the perimeter, I got out of the car and I ran towards the house. And that's where I was stopped by a police department.
Yeah.
I was like 30 feet away from him probably. Because they failed my son, the jail because they failed my son, state attorneys has failed my son, Florida, the state of Florida has failed my son. Now I have to fight the prosecutors, the same people who prosecuted my son and sentenced him to death.
Cruel to you as the victim because you have to keep going to court, you have these appeals. You know, it could be 20 years before he dies, and you know, you have to go to court, all those things. You think she's got a point, or?
Well, that's her personal view, but she shouldn't have a personal option in this. That should be up to the victims.
Right.
That's not up to her. Her job is to prosecute, not to legislate. And the problem with her is that she went in there without knowing the facts in the death penalty. She even said it herself. So basically, she one day before all this happened, she went to Google. And she went to the death penalty site and started getting all these stats. And it's not about that, it's about equality under the law. It's not about the money. You know, obviously when you execute someone, basically that person is not going to be killing anybody else.
Right.
So it is a worthy cause.
Right.
You know, but it has to be on the table. And she got a lot of facts wrong. And she talked about the money. At the end, obviously if you're 65 years old and you commit such a crime, they're not going to give you the death penalty.
Right.
Because you're already old.
But is a 65-year-old going to do that, right? I mean, so it's a little
It's
thing.
possible.
Yeah, but
you know,
right.
But when you get a guy who commits this crime at the age of 22, 24,
Right.
25, Okafor was 26, I mean, and you give him life, this guy's going to be around for 60 years.
Right.
So how much is that going to cost? So at the end, it balances out, is equal or even less.
Right.
So she's got the numbers wrong.